Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 100% disk usage on your Windows. So if you encounter 100% disk usage and you want to fix it, then this is the right video for you. So let's go quick into the process. Right click at the start button and select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find Startup Apps. Click on that. So these are the applications that start automatically whenever you sign in into your Windows if these are enabled. So change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is if this is unnecessary or unimportant during startup, make a right click and then select disable. You have to do that for all the unnecessary startup programs like Xbox, Discord, but do not disable this temporary like the RTK audio service, security health system tray, and the other important startup programs. Now once done, close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Now scroll down to the C section, letter C, as in cat, and here you will find Connected Devices Platform. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, change that to disabled. You have to click on Stop if this is running. Click on Apply, click on OK. And then scroll down to the S section and look for sysmain or prefetch in your case. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, that should be disabled. If this is running, you have to click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. And then close this. Then we can also perform the system file checker scan. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Then here simply type SFC space / scannow. It's SFC space / scannow, hit enter. So you can also pause the video to see the command. Now what this will do is that this will fix problems with the disk and also with the Windows. Now in my case, I still have a pending restart. That's why it states in here. But in your case, that will start the verification process and you just need to wait for the verification process to be 100% completed. And once 100% completed, close the the command prompt window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Do not forget to restart. And for the final method, we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system is up to date. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Click on Windows Update in the list of options on the left pane and simply click this button right here. So this will check for all the updates of your Windows. Now once you're updated, then your Windows will give you a better performance. So that's it. That's how you can fix 100% disk usage. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.